Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to this video. This video we are going to be looking at the winners for our Photo Perfect group build. Really nice group build that we did. It was all about taking a picture of something and replicating that picture in a scale model form, which was really nice to see the sort of broad range of different kind of models you guys were doing. Nice to see all your work, especially all the building of it as well. Really good, and a nice turnout as well. We did have to add a little bit of extra time onto this group build because of COVID and starting up the lockdown GB, but still a really nice success. And we've got some prizes here for the winners. Just to quickly show you, if you don't already know, we do have the 1/72 scale Harrier GR7 GR9 by Airfix. This is for the third prize winner. We do have the Great Wall Hobbies F15E US Air Force in 1/72 scale, and we do have for the winner, we do have the F101B Voodoo 148 scale by Kitty Hawks, as well as you can see just here, we have some trophies for you as well. So let's just get straight down to it. Let's get onto the forum and let's check out the final reveals for our winners. So here we are on the forum, and as you can see, our first winner, for third place, is Timbo. Timbo has been doing a 1/35 scale Challenger 1 Mark III. That is by Tamiya. Really nice kit, and here is the picture that he's trying to copy. And if we go over to his final reveals, we can see this really nicely built Challenger 1 tank in 1/35 scale. We've got a nice bit of diorama to go with it. As you can see, we're looking at some really nice spray work. We've got loads of sort of weathering on here with streaking and everything, really sort of bringing it to life. Do like the tracks as well, sort of like a nice sort of metal finish, bit of rust in there. Really nice, good, dirty tracks. So really nice, good Photo Perfect there for a third place winner by Timbo. Congratulations. Which then brings us to second place, which for second place we have VDBO76. He did a Spitfire, the silver Spitfire by Edard 148 scale. Here is the actual picture, the picture he's trying to copy here, and what I really liked about this is the natural metal finish is really well done. Really nice, very chrome finish to it, and as we work our way down, we can really see the neatness of it. The chrome finish is just absolutely outstanding. What I also liked was in scale modeling, we do find ourselves always filling in these rivets and recessed panel lines with some sort of a wash, and I like how he has, not done that, because if we look at the actual picture, this is a showboat. It is a pristine, polished up, nice and clean aircraft, and he's captured that by also sort of like missing out these weathering techniques we use to give it that showboat, nicely polished up, really sort of shiny finish to it. The decals look like they've gone down absolutely lovely. I really do like that. Really nice, neat, really good natural metal finish. So congratulations for second place to you, VDBO76, I do believe it is. So congratulations there, which now brings us to our first place, our top gun for the Photo Perfect GB for 2020, which is and I think you can all agree, Remy has nicely done a really cracking piece here. What we have is we have our picture here of what he's trying to represent and copy, and it is a really sort of beat up tank. We have a French light armored car, the AML 90 1/35 scale by Takam, and he's copied it like really. There's so much going on in this actual picture here, and then to represent it in a scale model is a nice, really fantastic piece of work, because we have so much going on. The rust and everything is all there, and if you start to really look at it closely and at the attention of detail that is put into this, you can really sort of see the color matches going on here. You can really see all the different bits of rust that's going on. Even the patterns of rust have been copied from the original picture to the scale model. The shapes, the patterns, the colors, it's all there. It's really been what I can see from a lot of attention to detail, as well as there was a lot of scratch building going on with this one as well, if I remember correctly, from his build thread. And it's just so close and so much attention to detail, which really sort of impressed me to give the Top Gun prize to our winner just here. So congratulations for winning Top Gun. Really nice piece of work, and I hope you've enjoyed all these winners that we have had for our Photo Perfect GB. So there's our winners. Hopefully I'm liking those winners. I think they're very well deserved in it. Hopefully you agree with me on that one. As always, you know, if you can give me an email just to give me your mailing address so I can get these trophies and kits shipped out to you winners free of charge. So congratulations, really nice GB, really did like it, lots of nice lovely work. But let's move on to the next GB. Let's just sort of promote the next GB, which is the Battle of Britain group build. And in this group build, it's all about the Battle of Britain, obviously. So we're talking absolutely anything, any kind of vehicle, dioramas, whatever you want to do. You know, there are quite a few subjects in there. I mean, obviously we're talking Spitfires and Messerschmitts and Hurricanes and all those kind of things, as well as all the bombers the Germans use. But you know, we've got ground AA crews and all sorts that's going on there. I mean, potentially you could do maybe fire engines and stuff. I mean, there's all sorts for that one. I'm going to just announce the prizes for this. If you want to get in on it, if you do win, this is what we're looking at. We're looking at, for third place, we have the 148 scale Bolton Pull Defiant Mark 1 by Airfix. Really nice kit. Have done an inbox review of that one. For second place, we're going to be giving away the 148 scale North American P51D Mustang by Airfix. Also really nice kit. And for our Top Gun winner, we are looking at the Spitfire Mark what's that, the 16, and that's the bubble top, and it's also a Provi Pack edition, so you got photo etch in there and everything, and it's in 148 scale. Some nice kits there, as well as this time what we're going to do, we're going to give everybody a prize. We've started up this new sticker where just everyone gets one, so as you can maybe build up a bit of a collection, have a little bit of a trophy area, and just to show that you entered in these GBs. And if you can put your trophies in there if you win and everything, you can have a nice little trophy display, and it just helps add to it all, and it just gives everyone a nice little prize. So hopefully you're going to be in on the Battle of Britain group build. It has already started. It ends on the 31st of December 2020. If you want to enter, all you got to do is go to the Genesis Models website, and in the forum section you'll find the Battle of Britain group build, and in there you just make a thread of your own where you start to show you building it via photos, and then you make a new thread in the final reveal section where you show off your final reveal photos. Little bit of a tip when it comes to group builds is, for me to be able to properly judge your work, it is good to have a really you know, a nice array of photos showing off your work in the final reveal section, so as I can judge it a little bit better, and it does help towards that. You know, because sadly I can't. I'd love to come to your houses and actually look at the piece of work, but I can't, so I have to rely on the pictures just as a little hint. So hopefully you have enjoyed that, and as always, until next time, my name's Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll catch you around.